Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting ready for work right now. I decided to film a video for you guys. You know, it's been a little bit. Normally I'll just skip through my foundation. However, I do finally own one of these beauties right here, an actual beauty blender. So I have been doing my foundation a little bit differently. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I've been doing lately. Of course, I'm still using the Huda Beauty in shortbread. So I'm going to go ahead and take a pump of that, put it on my palette. And then I will take my Y6 brush, just pick up some of that, dab it on the face, a little bit here, a little bit there. Go ahead and blend that out with the brush. And then once I get this nice and blended in pretty much even everywhere, I will go ahead and take the beauty blender and just go over it a little bit more, make sure everything is nice and blended. I've wanted a beauty blender for so long, and we finally have one. I'm like the last person in the world to probably try a beauty blender, but it's okay because we have one now, and you know what? I love it. It's never too late, right? So yeah, I'll just make sure that this is nice and blended in everywhere. Get it in the nose. All right, and once I have that base coat down, I'll go ahead and put away that Y6. I'll grab a little, like another half pump of foundation, and then we put that away, and then we grab the famous beauty blender, and we just make sure that everything is nice and pressed into the skin and blended out and looking pretty. You guys like when I hit my neck? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up the foundation, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so the rest of the foundation is on. I went ahead and blended it all in. Everything is looking nice and snatched. Now what I'm going to do is take this Milani Make It Last setting spray and just spritz that all over the face. And then I will take the beauty blender and just roll that in. Let's see. Yeah, and just dab that very, very lightly. Like, I'm going super light. You don't want to mess up the beautiful face that you just put down, but you do want to set it. I'm finding that, like, working in steps for me works a little bit better. A lot of times I get creases in my smile lines. My foundation breaks apart. So lately I've been, like, setting with layers, and it's actually really, really working for me. Yes, so now that base looks good, I will be right back. All right, guys, sorry about that little pause. Just making sure everything is pushed into the skin very nicely. Like I said, I do deal with like my foundation rubbing up, so I really like to take the time on my foundation. So the next thing that we are going to grab, it has been a while, so we're going to go ahead and take the Jeffree Star Concealer, which I am almost out of. So sad, so sad. All right, and just apply a little bit under the eyes. We're going to go ahead and take that same beauty blender and begin to blend this out. I'm almost out of it, so I haven't really been using it, and I've missed it so much. It's so beautiful. And with it today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Jeffree Star powder as well, you know, because why not? All right, perfect. And that is how you set it and forget it. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so the face has been set. It's looking beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and take that same setting spray. Like I said, I have been layering. I don't want to look too powdery, so go ahead and take that, and also a card, and go ahead and fan that away. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, and then I will be back, and we'll go ahead and do contour, highlight, blush, and then we'll jump on the eyes. Sound like a plan? All right, I'll see you guys in a minute. Real quick, you guys, sorry. I did want to point out that e.l.f. came out with a new brow pencil, so that is what I'm going to be trying today. This thing was only $2. So I'm going to go ahead and test this out today. Actually, let's go ahead and do it on camera. I got the shade Taupe. I usually end up doing taupe when I get my brow shades because I don't like blonde because it's too blonde. So I just feel like taupe is a really good, like, oh, man, this is hard to open, a really good in-between shade. Goodness, that was difficult. It does come with a spoolie, which is always a great thing. Go ahead and bring my mirror up here and let's see what this baby can do. Wow, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and start by spooling my eyebrows down like this. This is how I always do my brows. If you guys watch my brow video, then you know. And then I do like to just take the Beauty Blender and go along right here because sometimes I do hit my brows and then I get brow strokes. That looks really, really dark, but there it is right there. Let's see if this is gonna work. This is not taupe. This is like a brown. Oh man, maybe I should have got blonde. Very, very pigmented. I'm not putting any pressure on at all. Doesn't feel really waxy. That's good. Okay, I think I might enjoy it. It is a little bit dark though. You barely have to apply any pressure and it brights. I think I may enjoy this. Let me go ahead and finish the rest of my brows and I'll be back and give you guys my final thoughts on this product, okay? All right, guys, so I am back. I mean, the pigmentation in this is very nice. The only issue that I'm finding is once you do start using it, it is a really fat stump and you can't get like that precise like end of eyebrow just because it's too thick. So, I mean, pigmentation-wise, it's amazing. I really love the color now that I'm actually using it. Like, it doesn't look bad. I mean, they kind of look dark, actually. They're really dark. But, I mean, it's not bad. I probably should have used a lighter hand. All right. Well, eyebrows are how they are today. I'm going to go ahead and carve those out, and then I will be right back. Back with my eyebrows carved out. We're gonna go ahead and do my contour bronzer and everything because I'm pretty sure that, whoops, I'm gonna have to do a light eyeshadow. So yes, I actually got this new brush right here. It's from Real Techniques. It's the 303 contour brush. So we are going to go ahead and test this out. I am going to grab an old favorite of mine. We've been using the Tarte palette a lot. I'm going to go ahead and grab the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer. Dust off some of that excess. Whoa, honey. You really need to dust off some of that excess. Whoa, smokes, that's a good brush. Wow. She was blending it together. Oh yeah, you're definitely, if you guys pick up this brush, you're definitely gonna want to tap off some excess product. But wow, look at that. It looks a lot lighter on screen than it does on my face. Carve out that neck. I am going to go ahead and take this beauty blender and just diffuse that a little bit because, hunchy, that is dark. I'm definitely not going to use that for around the forehead. I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe M105. I love this bronzer, but golly, is it pigmented. Like, you barely need any. Wowzers on this, though. Jeez. Use the edge right there. Okay, okay. I feel it. I mean, geez, that is a really nice brush. I'm definitely going to be using that more. You know what my issue is? For some reason, my bronzer doesn't blend into my hairline. Do you guys see that? Like, it just stops. What is the deal with that? Why does it do that? Perfect. Sweet. Got that. Let's go ahead and just bounce and pounce. We're going to go ahead and pick up some of that star powder. And cut. More star powder. And cut. Sweet. I literally do not even let that sit anymore. Look, that was like 2 seconds. And you can see it perfectly. All right. Looking good. What blush are we gonna use today? Let's go ahead and take the MAC blush today. And this is just the Luxie 512. Oh, this is a small contouring brush. Now, what I want to do today is I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush. Like this. Just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and set my face yet again. Perfect. And today we are going to use an old favorite, the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. Sorry, I don't know what that was. Oh, goodness gracious, how I've missed you. Perfect. Got to dry the face real quick. And then we're going to put on a little bit more blush on top of that just to make sure everything is nice and blended. Yes, honey. All right, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes and I will be right back, you guys. And now for the eyes, I have them primed. I did use the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. So for the eyes, I got to be super, super quick. I'm just going to take that same bronzer that I was using on my new Real Techniques brush. And just blend that just above and through the crease. Like, I'm literally moving so quick right now. All right, so that is a pretty good base for that. We're gonna go ahead and put that away. And there's no deep, actually, no, that looks like bronzer. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. I'm panicking, you guys. I did get, nope, those aren't gonna work either. Gosh darn it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take Blue Blood. Oh, nope, not Blue Blood, sorry. We're taking my Jawbreaker palette, and we are going to dip into Tasty, this nice deep brown right here, and pop that on that outer edge. And just blend slightly through the crease, just to give some dimension. Perfect. How to do a makeup look real quick, or an eye look at least. We were going to do a pink and purple pretty eye look today, but then I broke my vape and now I gotta rush. But I still wanted to get this video up for you guys. Just get that nice and blended in with that bronzer. Boom. I'm going to take a big old fluffy brush and just double blend that. This is a clean fluffy brush. And I'm going to take Diamond Wet just on my finger. And we are going to pop that from the inner corner to where we set down the color from the Jawbreaker palette. Actually, I covered it up a little bit, but that's okay. Boom! And that, my friends, is a makeup and eye look super, super quick. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a big old thumbs up. I'm just going to finish my eyes off camera and then I am out of here. I'm going to go ahead and let my husband know to edit this for me today. Hopefully I have it up today. If not, it will be tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all have a very lovely day and tell somebody that you love them. Bye, guys.